Hi, this is Bill Kemp, also known as the Home Exterior Guru, and we're out here on a siding job, and I want to simply show you today what not to have done when you have a siding job done. Make sure you check this video out. Okay, this is Bill Kemp again. I'm back with you to take a look at a siding job. Really don't know what this terminology is called. I've heard different terms for it, but what you have to understand is each of these siding panels have a nailing hem behind here where the siding needs to be nailed in each section. Okay, now this particular home, the homeowner called me because the siding keeps blowing off of the home. And if you can see how wavy this siding is, all the way up this wall, this siding panels are just loose and coming apart. See how loose that is? Well, it's simple. What these installers did when they installed this siding on their home is instead of nailing each panel at the nailing hem, they nailed a panel here and they skipped up and nailed a panel all the way up here. Okay? Now it's causing this wall to do this. Your siding will simply blow off of your home and you will have issues down the road if your siding is not hung properly. If you would like to have your siding installed properly or to find out if your siding was installed improperly, check us out at home_exterior_guru on Instagram. Thank you.